Don't let morning negativity ruin your day. Use this 15-minute boost to rewire your inner dialogue and claim your peace. In this video, I will offer a grounding affirmation for every anxious counterthought your mind creates. Repeat after me to anchor these truths into your subconscious. I can't relax about tomorrow. I am resting in the knowledge that I am guided. I am resting in the knowledge that I am guided. Everything depends on me getting it right. I am safe to be happy right now. I am safe to be happy right now. The future feels heavy. I am letting go of the weight of tomorrow. I am letting go of the weight of tomorrow. I'm scared of the unknown. I am safe in the hands of the universe. I am safe in the hands of the universe. I have to worry to stay prepared. I am choosing faith over fear. I am choosing faith over fear. I'll never be ready. I am becoming more resilient every day. I am becoming more resilient every day. Life is unpredictable and dangerous. I am safe to dream about a beautiful future. I am safe to dream about a beautiful future. I need to control the outcome. I am embracing the flow of the universe. I am embracing the flow of the universe. I'm always waiting for the other shoe to drop. I am looking forward to the joy ahead. I am looking forward to the joy ahead. I can't trust life. I am trusting that all is well. I am trusting that all is well. The future feels overwhelming. I am at peace with the pace of my journey. I am at peace with the pace of my journey. I have to struggle to survive. I am letting go of the struggle. I am letting go of the struggle. Good things don't happen for me. I am a magnet for favorable outcomes. I am a magnet for favorable outcomes. I I'm terrified of change. I am safe to welcome positive change. I am safe to welcome positive change. I'll never feel secure. I am settled, secure, and at peace. I am settled, secure, and at peace. The unknown terrifies me. I am at peace with the unknown. I am safe. I am at peace with the unknown. I am safe. I need to figure everything out now. I don't need all the answers today. I am allowed to rest. I don't need all the answers today. I am allowed to rest. I'll never feel calm about the future. I am opening my heart to positive possibilities. I am opening my heart to positive possibilities. Life is against me. I am supported by the flow of life. All is well. I am supported by the flow of life. All is well. I can't trust the future. I trust that the right doors will open for me. I trust that the right doors will open for me. I have to plan every detail. I release the burden of over-planning. I am guided. I release the burden of over-planning. I am guided. I'm going to mess up my future. I am confident in my ability to handle change. I am confident in my ability to handle change. The worst case scenario is coming. I am choosing to believe in the best case scenario. I am choosing to believe in the best case scenario. I'll never have what I need. I trust that I will always have what I need. I trust that I will always have what I need. I'm walking into disaster. I am protected as I move forward. I am protected as I move forward. I'm not ready for what's coming. I am exactly where I need to be. I trust the timing of my life. I am exactly where I need to be. I trust the timing of my life. Everything is falling apart. Every challenge has a hidden blessing. I am walking into a bright tomorrow. Every challenge has a hidden blessing. I am walking into a bright tomorrow. Something bad is going to happen. Everything will turn out fine. I am safe right now. Everything will turn out fine. I am safe right now. The future is scary and uncertain. I am safe as the future unfolds. Things are working out for my highest good. I am safe as the future unfolds. Things are working out for my highest good. I need to know exactly what will happen. I release the need to know every detail. I trust the process of my life. I release the need to know every detail. I trust the process of my life. I have to control everything. I am letting go of the need to control the outcome. I am letting go of the need to control the outcome. What if it all goes wrong? I choose hope over worry. My future is filled with light. I choose hope over worry. My future is filled with light. I won't be able to handle it. I am prepared for whatever comes. I trust myself. I am prepared for whatever comes. I trust myself. I have too many things to worry about. I release what I cannot control and focus on the good that is coming. I release what I cannot control and focus on the good that is coming. I can't stop worrying about the future. I am allowing life to surprise me in wonderful ways. I am allowing life to surprise me in wonderful ways.